To log into your Micple account, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser on your device. Once it's loaded, go to the search bar and type in micple.com, then hit enter. The website will load, and you'll be directed to the Micple homepage. Next, look at the top left corner of the browser window, where you'll see a sign in option. Click on it to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll be asked to enter your user ID. Make sure to input your correct ID in the provided field. After that, move on to the password field and enter your password credentials. Once you've entered the correct information, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be automatically logged in. You'll know you've successfully logged in when you see your profile icon appear in the top right corner of the page. To view your account details, simply click on your profile icon, and it will take you to your personal profile page. And that's it. You're all set to explore your Micple account. It's that easy.